Hello and welcome to our channel about self-improvement and personal development. In this video, we will be discussing how to make money on freelance. Freelancing has become an increasingly popular way to earn money and work on your own terms. So, whether you're a writer, designer, or developer, there are plenty of opportunities to earn a decent income as a freelancer. Step 1. Determine your skills and services. The first step to earning money as a freelancer is to identify your skills and the services you can offer to clients. Consider your professional experience, education, and hobbies to identify the services you can provide. Some examples of freelance services include writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, and virtual assistants. Once you have identified your skills and services, you can start building your portfolio to showcase your work. It's important to have a strong portfolio to attract potential clients and demonstrate your expertise in your field. You can create a portfolio website, use social media platforms to showcase your work, or utilize freelance marketplaces that allow you to create a profile and upload your portfolio. Step 2. Choose your freelance niche. Choosing a niche is an essential step in building a successful freelance career. A niche is a specific area or industry where you have expertise or experience. Focusing on a niche allows you to develop specialized skills and knowledge that can help you stand out from other freelancers and attract more clients. To choose your niche, consider your skills, interests, and experience. You should also research the demand for your niche and the rates that other freelancers in your niche are charging. Look for a niche that has enough demand and offers good earning potential. Once you have selected your niche, create a portfolio or website that showcases your work and expertise in that area. This will help you attract clients who are looking for someone with your specific skills and experience. Step 3. Determine your target market. Once you have identified your skills and services, the next step is to determine your target market. This means identifying the types of clients or customers you want to work with and the industries or niches where your skills and services are most in demand. For example, if you are a graphic designer, you may want to focus on working with small businesses in the food and beverage industry, as they often require marketing materials such as logos, menus, and packaging. To determine your target market, start by researching different industries and niches that may be a good fit for your skills and services. Look for areas where there is high demand for your services and where clients are willing to pay premium rates for quality work. You can also use online freelance platforms to search for jobs in your niche and see what types of projects and clients are available. Once you have identified your target market, you can tailor your marketing and branding efforts to appeal specifically to those clients. This may involve creating a portfolio or website that showcases your work in that niche, using industry-specific language in your communications, and networking with other professionals in that industry. By focusing on a specific target market, you can increase your chances of attracting high-paying clients who value your expertise and are willing to pay for your services. Step 4. Create a portfolio and start applying for jobs. Once you have developed your skills and gained some experience, it's time to create a portfolio that showcases your work. This will serve as a visual representation of your skills and will help potential clients get a better idea of what you can offer. Your portfolio should include examples of your best work, along with information about your skills and experience. There are many platforms available where you can create a portfolio, such as Behance, Dribbble, and even your own website. Make sure to choose a platform that suits your needs and showcases your work effectively. When creating your portfolio, consider the type of work you want to do and tailor your portfolio accordingly. Once you have created your portfolio, it's time to start applying for jobs. There are many freelancing websites out there, such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, where you can find job opportunities. You can also reach out to potential clients directly through social media or other channels. When applying for jobs, make sure to tailor your application to the specific job and client. Highlight your relevant experience and skills, and make sure to include a link to your portfolio. Also, be sure to follow any instructions provided by the client and demonstrate your professionalism throughout the application process. Remember, building a successful freelance career takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent, and always focus on improving your skills and building your network. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your freelancing into a lucrative and fulfilling career. Step 5. Build your online presence. To start getting freelance work, you need to build a strong online presence. This includes creating profiles on popular freelancing platforms and developing your own website and social media accounts. There are many different freelancing platforms out there, including Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and Guru. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to research them and find the ones that best fit your skills and goals. Create a complete and attractive profile on each platform, highlighting your skills and experience, and providing links to your portfolio and work samples. In addition to freelancing platforms, it's also a good idea to build your own website and social media accounts. These platforms can help you showcase your skills, build your brand, and connect with potential clients. Your website should include information about your services, work samples, and contact information. You can also use social media to promote your work, share updates, and connect with other freelancers and potential clients. By building a strong online presence, you can establish yourself as a professional freelancer and increase your chances of getting work. It's important to be active and engaged on these platforms, responding promptly to messages and inquiries, and keeping your profiles up to date. With a solid online presence, you can start attracting clients and building your freelance business. Step 6. Build a portfolio and get testimonials. Now that you have identified your target market and honed your skills, it's time to build a portfolio of your work. Your portfolio will showcase your skills and give potential clients a sense of the quality of work you produce. To start building your portfolio, you can create some samples of your work for your target market. For example, if you're a freelance writer, you can write some articles on topics that your target clients are interested in. If you're a graphic designer, you can create some designs for logos, business cards, or websites. Once you have some samples, you can create a portfolio website to showcase them. Your website should be professional looking and easy to navigate, with clear examples of your work and descriptions of the services you offer. You can also include testimonials from satisfied clients to further demonstrate your skills and reliability. Getting testimonials is an important part of building your reputation as a freelancer. Once you've completed a project for a client, ask them for a testimonial that you can include on your website and in your marketing materials. A good testimonial should highlight the quality of your work, your professionalism, and your ability to deliver results. By building a strong portfolio and collecting testimonials, you'll be able to demonstrate your value to potential clients and increase your chances of landing new projects. Step 7. Promote your services and build your reputation. Once you have a few successful projects under your belt and positive reviews from clients, it's time to start promoting your services and building your reputation as a freelancer. One of the best ways to do this is by creating profiles on freelancing platforms and social media networks like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Make sure your profiles are professional and showcase your skills, experience, and portfolio. Use relevant keywords in your profile descriptions and taglines so that clients can easily find you when searching for specific services. You can also consider running paid ads on these platforms to reach a wider audience. Networking is also important for building your reputation as a freelancer. Attend industry events and conferences, connect with other professionals in your field, and join online communities and forums where you can engage with other freelancers and potential clients. Finally, always deliver high-quality work and excellent customer service to ensure that your clients are satisfied with your services. Word of mouth is a powerful marketing tool, and satisfied clients are more likely to refer you to others and leave positive reviews on your profile. Thank you for watching this video on how to make money on freelance. Remember to determine your skills and niche, create a strong portfolio, define your target audience, set your rates, network and market yourself, be reliable and professional, and expand your skills and knowledge. With these tips, you'll be on your way to a successful freelance career. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on self-improvement and personal development.